All right, what's up, Tycoon? So for today's video, we're looking at ticker symbol GOTU. All right, and this one is definitely a go-to for me right now. So if you notice, we're at the 1 year, 1 day chart. It had highs of 149 and recently had lows of $2. GoTo is a Chinese based education, online education company. As you know, there's been a lot of Chinese FUD. A lot of Chinese stocks have dipped and fell dramatically. GoTo being one of them. Okay. So if we look here, we have a small daily gap to fill up in the 60s. All right. And then we have a big, really big daily gap from $4 up to almost $10 to 968. All right. Um, so those two gaps are very interesting. Okay. I want to show you guys. Basically, GoTo has a very good been respecting bullish divergence very well on the daily chart. Okay, so if we look into the points that I have zoomed in here, you can see here we have made lower lows at each one of these points. Okay, I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see on the RSI. Here's our low. We made a higher low. We made a higher low. Okay, so as the stock has made lower lows and respected this downtrend line, the RSI has made higher lows and been respecting this trend line right here. Okay, and if we zoom in on each day, there's an arrow. There's an arrow right here, and we see we have a short-term bounce. Okay, we bounce, hit highs of 1813. Okay. Um, Here's another one, boom, and right here we touch it again, touch it, and stock goes up green a little bit. Okay, we touch it, stock goes up green. All right, so if you notice on the daily chart, it's been respecting that bullish divergence. Okay, from here again we have that bullish divergence. Here's our low, here's our lower low. Okay, here's our low, here's our higher low. All right, so on the RSI it looks like this. Okay, and what I did is I went ahead and extended this drawing to the right. Okay, and if you notice, these right here are bounce zones. Okay, so if you wanted to do some short-term day trading, you could look for a bounce here off of the RSI for a day trade. Okay, but long term, it's the stock's basically been respecting this bullish divergence. Okay, it's got this daily gap to fill. Okay, it started to try to fill it, wicked up into there, but it's not really started filling this gap at all yet. So with this daily bullish divergence going on, I'm thinking, the stock definitely could, fall some more and bounce off of here and go up. Um, so will be very interesting to see. The stock hasn't had any super big movements off of the RSI. Like we bounced here, had a nice green candle, but it hasn't done anything too dramatic yet. So just keep an eye out on this one, and I do think that GoTo definitely could be a good long-term play if you just want to put this in an account where you're not going to check it and you just want to hold the shares back until for this gap play up to 65. You could do that. That's pretty risky. Or short term, we have a pretty good slow burner right here. You could play it for the gap up to $9, and try to get that gap fill. So let me know what you guys think down below. Are you guys trading GoTo? What is your go-to stock or trading platform? Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment down below and hit that like button.